my koutou. Hi, my name is Breana.
And more ātara Winton School, I'm Loralye. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu the 23rd of June.
Okay, into te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is taa-ku,
which is te rere for doctor, as in te taa-ku ahau. I'm a doctor.
I have a sore leg.
Ke te tangi ahau. Okay, tidiest class awards for week 9. Drumroll please.
For rooms 4, 9 and 11. Keep those classes tidy. Only one more week to go until pizza lunch for one hard working tidy class.
Hey, chicken pizza's my fave. What's yours?
Pepperoni. Room 11. So not winning.
What?
Kapai, onto hockey news. Winton Wipeouts, you have a hockey training today at lunchtime on the basketball court. Be there at 12:45, please.
Winton Wizards, your training session is cancelled. Kia ora.
Health and safety news. All wet and muddy areas around the school are out of bounds.
Play away from the mud and water. It's winter. Anyone caught bringing mud inside will be in trouble.
Loralye.
Breana.
Competition time. Okay, it's time to get those promotional posters for our school production into the office.
All posters need to be in by Friday.
Okay, high-vis vests. Keep wearing them to and from school. Start counting during the morning, koutou.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box
below. Quiet news. You have no rehearsal tomorrow in the hall. There might be one on Friday.
Okay, inter-house challenge news. All year 3 to 4 students who want points for your houses go to the hall after you've eaten your lunch at 12:45 and make some paper planes.
For sure, the best girl and boy from each house will represent next week for House of Glory.
That's all year 3 to 4 who can throw a good dart in the hall at 12:45.
Science fair news. All year 5 and 6 science fair students, you have a meeting at morning tea in the library.
And year 7 and 8 social study fair projects need to be finished by the end of the day. Those that need completing meet in room 12 at lunchtime to finish with Mrs. Collins.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, taki te popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, stay away from the Winton School.